Hello, this is Sheila She's Beautiful Urban, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of my Boxy Charm Premium box for the month of May. If you want to see what's in my Boxy Charm Premium, then keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to be a part of the Urban Beauty community. So please push that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, everybody sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Alright, here we go. Opening it up. Alrighty. And here are the items. I don't see no card so far. Another month with no card. But hey, y'all. Unfortunately, I won't be able to give y'all any prices. I can tell y'all what's in the box and give you a little bit of information on it. Just a little bit. Not too much because I don't know much, okay? So, hey, let's jump right on in. Alright, first thing I see, I got a palette. Got a palette and it says Natural Matte Palette by Too Faced. Right here. Alright, let's open up that package. It's so pretty. Alright. And this says, our Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette just got a sexy makeover with 7 new modern shades and our exclusive coconut butter infused formula for creamier mattes and more comfortable wear. Alright. If you all are new here and you notice I was looking at them words kind of close, I am blind in my left eye. So bear with me on reading and, presenting these products to you all. Okay? Alright. Thank you. So charge some head and I'm hard. Alright, let's open up this package and see the inside is gold. Like I said, this is the Natural Matte palette. It's got a nice little insert in there. Most times Too Faced will give you an insert and tell you how you can probably make out an eye look, in which this has inside, which is really cute. Alright. And here is the packaging, just like the box, but it has a nice ovalness to it. Very cute. Kind of like a little purse. Kind of puts you in my little purse. So I'm going to move this out the way, this little box out the way. And open it up, let y'all see what it looks like on the inside. Alright. Smells good. That aroma came right off. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to bring kind of high so y'all won't get blinded by the mirror. Nice chocolatey, creamy. I can describe it as chocolate, coffee, caramel, mochaccino kind of colors. Very pretty. Okay. And vanilla. Very cute. I can go ahead and make a look with that. As y'all can see, I have nothing on my face, so I am very prepared. Plus, I'm getting ready to go to work. Alright. So that was that. I can't give y'all no prices, unfortunately. Okay. Then again, let me see if I can look it up real quick. See if we can find something on that palette. So sorry I couldn't be prepared for this. But y'all know how it go. But we gonna see. We gonna find something. What is that? Natural Mattes? Alright. Let me put the price on the back of this and see if what it says. I'll give y'all a little bit of how much it might cost. Okay? I'm going to go on their website so I can make sure, because sometimes you go on these other websites, they might have some sales going on. Then again, they might be pricing it their way. $1 or $2 more than what it is on the site. Okay? We're just waiting on this thing to load. And it says the Natural Matte palette is $38. Alright? $38. You know what? I need a pen. I wish I could write that down. Let me see. I'll write something on here. $38. We got something. Alright. Now the next thing I see is from Skin & Co. Right here. And it says Restructuring Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. It's an eye concentrate. Okay. I love anything for the eye, child. I am 45 years old, so I always want to keep my eyes nice and bright and younger looking. So it comes in this nice little thing. Look on inside the box. It says, "Hello, bright eyes." That's cute. And this is the little component. Alright. Nice little component. Let's look on the inside. I can't put none on today, y'all. Nice and light and creamy. I don't know if y'all can see that. Nice little cream. I'm not going to mess with it, but I'm not going to use it right now because I have some eye products that's already open. And I don't want to dibble and dabble in something new. Although I did open it, I should not have opened it. Because time you open it, there go the shelf life starting to add up. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out Skin & Co. real quick. Y'all bear with me now. Bear with me. Here we go. Skin. Ooh, now notifications. Skin & Co. And that was the truffle. Let me see. Let me make sure I'm saying that right. Truffle therapy. Hold up now. Let me see. Concentrate. Alright. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get in there. Don't be moving all out the video. Stay here. Just give me some time now. We gonna look it up. That's why I hate we ain't got these cards in here lately, y'all. What's going on? Well, then again, we know what's going on. Come on now. We've been going through some crazy weather, y'all. So you know how that go. Let me see what we got on here. Hold up. It's loading, y'all. I'm actually on it, but it's showing more than just that together. But it shows here that the Skin & Co. They're not showing the price. They actually showed me where you can. Oh, there it is. $66. All right now. $66. We wrote it down. All right. The concentrate is $66. All right. So unlock exclusive rewards and perks. I'll try that out later. I ain't gonna do it right now. All right. On to the next one. Okay, where I put that at? Y'all be losing stuff. Okay, right here. All right, next one. We have this little thing. It's from Milk Makeup. Right here. And this is... It is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. Let me look that up real quick. It's from Milk. So I'm guessing you can use it as a blush or something. And on your lips too. So let me see. Milk. Glow Oil. Alright. Here we go. We getting in here. Bear with me, y'all. Lip and cheek. See how slow it's loading up? It's loading so slow, y'all. This internet suck in this area. I swear it do. Alright, here we go. Slowly but surely. Alright. Come on, phone. I ain't got all day. I got to go to work. I always want to make sure I get in here with these videos for y'all as much as I can and as soon as I can. But I went working more than 100 hours a pay period. Almost 200. Not 200. Not quite. Not close to 200. But close. But it's enough. And I be trying to stay, you know, consistent. At least a little bit. Okay? Okay, now what is this? I don't want to see this thing here. They always want to throw a coupon code up at you, but I ain't looking for coupon codes right now. So, where you at? This here says Glow Oil. Okay, $15 I'm thinking. It is rather small, so being $15 for a little package like this, I can see. Okay? I can see that. Let me write it down, then I'll let y'all see what it look like. Okay, so this little old package here, like I said, lip and cheek is very tiny. I don't know if it's considered a full size or not. I'm not sure, travel size or something like that, or deluxe maybe. You know, full size and deluxe ain't the same thing. Oh, it's mighty cute. It's kind of slick. So let's see. I don't know. Is something on top of there? Yeah, it got some little plastic covering on. Okay, there you go. There you go. Oh, still shiny. Not no little smell or nothing to it. I'm going to roll it up. Let me see. Okay, that's what it looks looking like. I don't think I'm going to put that on my cheek, though. I don't think I'm going to put that on my cheeks. It's kind of an oily consistency. I'll try it on my lip, though. Let's see. Give my lips a little color. It's nice and soft. Like I said, I can't see myself putting it on my lip, on my cheeks. Maybe on my lips, maybe. Yeah. Gave my lips a little tint. All right. Hey, but it's $15, so it's all right. It's all right. All right. Next thing I see, it is from Sugar Rush by Tarte, okay? It's called Best Buds Lip Butter Balm. All right, it's a lip butter balm. It's for hydrating, okay? Let me see what's on the back. And this one is in Peony. All right, let's open it up, see what it looks like. That's the packaging, y'all. Looks like so. Peony. Okay. Open it up. Oh, cute. Nice little, cute little flower. See that? Ain't that cute? It's a lip balm. And I done put this other stuff on. Oh, it smells good. I ain't gonna touch it. I ain't gonna mess with it, but it smells so good. All right. We're not gonna touch it. And that is by Tarte. So we're gonna check that out real quick. And it's by Tarte. It's called, like I said, the lip balm, lip butter balm by Tarte. Let's check it out. I hate to have to put y'all through this. All right. All right, let's see. All right, all right, all right. Where you at? It says Sephora. We going, I'm trying to get it going. All right, here we are. Come on now. Can see it, I don't see all that. Okay, let me go up here and search in the Tarte website, which I'm on. So let me look. Lip butter balm. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Loading up, don't you know? All right, let's see what it says. Telling me to add to the bag, but I don't see what it goes. They offer up to 30% off. All right, come on, baby. I'm not going to add you to the cart until I see how much it costs. Boy, they know they tripping chat. All right, it's $12. All right, $12 little dollars. Okay, we got $12. All right, we got that down, y'all, in a timely manner. All right, next we have Kat Von D Super 24-Hour Brow Long Wear Pomade in dark brown. Now, I have this already, so I will not be opening this up. But here it is. There's mine, and here's the new one. So I won't be opening this dark brown. I do use it. And I will be using it today. So let me put that one back. And I will load this one over here. Put it in the place. Because this one going to dry out in a minute. Okay, let me see. Hold on, y'all. We going to go in. I hope y'all bearing with me. I hope this ain't working y'all nerves as much as it's working mine. Okay, let me see. Kat Von D And what did I call that? I call that the Super Brow. Okay, Super Brow. Super Brow Pomade. Alright, here we go. Here we go, y'all. $20. Alrighty, it's $20. Got a 20 on there. Alright. We making it through, y'all. We making it through. Alright, and the last thing I see, because like I said, ain't no card in here. Let me move that big old humongous box out the way. We have something from Pure Heels. I guess that's what they say, Pure Heels. Hope y'all can see that. Let me see what this is. It says Centella 90 Ampule. Alright, let me read on this box to see what it says. Let me find something. Hold up. Let me look on the back. It says Soothing Ampule, which contains Centella Asiatica extract. It relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. The ampule contains 90% of Centella Asiatica complex extracts, the mystical plant that firms the skin from the inside and leaves smooth complexion by improving the skin's natural functions. After cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner and apply a moderate amount of the product onto the face. Gently pat for better absorption. So this is a skin solution. It's a skin treatment, pretty much. That's what I call it, a therapy maybe. Alright? So it helps you with irritants in the skin. So we need that. I'm not going to open it up because I have other things in my fridge back here that's already open that I am currently using. Alright? I try to keep my skin nice and supple and clean and clear of the elements and everything in the air, so I won't have any breakouts and irritation to my skin. But in case I do, this will come in handy. Alright, so let's look in here and see if we can't find this. Okay? We're going to find it right quick, y'all. Bear with me now. Bear with me. It's called Pure Heels. I'm hoping that's what that says. Pure Heels by Nature Village. Okay, here we go. Pure Heels. Okay, here we go. Popular online shop. We bring customers the latest trends along with thousands. I don't know if that's it. Let me see. Okay, let me see. This might be it right here. I want to make sure, y'all. We want to make sure, y'all. I want to make sure I'm giving y'all the right products, okay? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now, this one is in 30 milliliters. This one is showing $43. This is a discounted price of $43. So, but this bottle, I don't know if this bottle is much smaller. I'm not sure, but let me see if they have a milliliters count on here. Okay, this says 30 milliliters, right? And this is at a discounted price. Total purchase amount is $43.02 USD. Okay, so we're gonna go with that. It may be more, I'm not sure, but y'all, like I said, y'all count these prices with me. So that was all that was in my box. So let's go ahead and tally this box up. Alright, so we have Pure Heels. This is like the $43, okay? And then we have the lip balm, which was $12. Then we have Skin & Co., which was $66. Then we had our Kat Von D, which was $20. The brow pomade was $20. Then we had our little milk product. She was $15. And then we had our palette, which was $38. So this box was $194. All right, but for $35, because if you all don't know, the premium box from BoxyCharm is $35, and you get up to $175 worth of products, okay, or more. So this box was $194. All right. So I'm gonna do a look with the Natural Matte palette, and if you want to see what look I come up with using the Natural Matte palette, and do my brows with the pomade, then just keep on watching at the end. All right, I'll be right back. All right, let's jump right on in to this Naturals Matte Palette by Too Faced. All right, so let me grab a brush, y'all. I do appreciate y'all watching the video and taking the time out to figure out these prices and things with me, okay? I sure appreciate y'all. All right, let's get on into this palette, and I'm gonna grab my Morphe E27 brush, nice little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip into Sexpert, which is this crazy old name for this color right here. Okay, we're gonna dip into that. I don't see no fallout, so we're gonna go into this palette just like so. Ooh, it smells so good, y'all. It's got a nice, pretty cocoa smell to it. I don't know if you all noticed, I didn't do my face. Now, the bottom half of my face is not done because I have to wear a mask, and I have my mask hanging off my shirt right here. Okay? I try not to do the bottom of my face anymore for a while till we get out of these masks and our residents are able to have visitors and things. Then I'll start, once we get out the mask, I'll start, having a full face. But right now, I try to focus on my eyes, my brows and my eyes, and, the upper part of my face. So we're going to just do a little old look with this nice little old simple natural palette, okay? And this is blending out so nice and soft. We get into them brows in a minute. Let me get my eyes together. You see what time it is? Oh, we got some good timing. We got some nice, good timing going on. Y'all, I've been so drained. It's the one I'm on here now. But I got to stay committed to you all, because y'all make my day. Y'all make my channel, okay? And I want to show y'all appreciation by always trying to take out the time and get my behind on here and film for y'all. Let y'all know about the new products and things that's out. And y'all, I'm getting ready to go on a weight loss journey. So I want y'all to come along with me on that, because I need it. Look at my little face. Look at them jaws. Y'all, it's not been easy me stay on track because of this pandemic, and the gym ain't open, because I would still be going to the gym and cutting up at the gym if this coronavirus ain't come taking over the world like it did. But once I get back on that journey, I want you all to be there with me, okay? I want y'all to be right there. Move my mirror over here. I don't want to buy my mirror just not to use it. I'm so used to looking behind me, Lord. Y'all know how I do. Okay? See how nice and chocolatey and well blended it's getting? So pretty. Oh, the smell is just divine. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit higher over the crease area. Bring it up a little bit more. Give me a nice little circular motion going on. Because if I stay deep down this area, then it'll look like my eyes are sagging, and I don't want that to happen. So I need to bring it up a little bit higher. Okay, just like so. I got some more packages delivering today, so I may have to jump up in a minute to go and check the mailbox. Okay, here we go. Nice and deep. I like that. And it's actually showing up a little deeper on my eyes than it is in the palette. This color right here. See that? That color there? See my eye? Doing pretty good. And now, I'm going to come out of that color, and we're going to go a little bit deeper. So we're going to go into Risky Biz right here. It's a little bit deeper. So I'm going to come on the outer corner of my eye, right along in here, and deepen up that outer corner. Give me a little definition. Bring it down into a V shape. Just like so. Give me a little definition. Like I said, this is I think all mattes palette. Yep, look like all matte. I don't mind it. I don't mind. But I love me some shimmer. Y'all know that. I love me some shimmer. But we gonna work out with this matte palette today. I hardly ever do an all mattes look, but hey, it's an all mattes palette, so what stuff we working with today? The outer V is looking nice. Like I said, I'm just deepening up that outer corner. Give us a little definition back here. Really pretty. Get back over here to this mirror because I'm running away from that mirror again. We're running away. Okay, here we go. Try to stay on the outer corner. Just like so. Bring it up. Like I said, I don't want my eyes sagging. Just like that. Make sure I got it even. Come up with this one a little bit more. Okay, then we're going to go back into Sexpert, that one color we had earlier. We're going to go back in and blend it out. Just like so. Make sure we blend it out. Alright, oh that's pretty. Now, we're going to go into All Natural, which is this pretty color here. Right there. Okay, let me get a brush for that. That ain't it. So I'm going to use the Morphe E30 brush. Nice little fluffy brush. Where am I? There you go. Looking for my color switch because I'm not sure if there's anything on this brush. I want to make sure. So we're going to tap in. And I notice there's very minimal fallout. Very minimal. So I'm just going to tap that on the inner corner out towards the, going into that deeper color, that darker brown, chocolate brown. Just like so. Just like that. Get back over here to this mirror. Back on work y'all nerve with the moving of this mirror that I've been doing. Side. Really pretty. Look at that. That blending is really nice, and the colors are so soft and so buttery. Ooh. The blend is so nice and even. Look at that, how even that blend is. So soft and nice and soft. Okay, now I'm going to go back into Sexpert. You know, I get a little bit of both, but Biz, Risky Biz, that deeper one. So I can shade off the outer corner. Just like so, really soft. look back, make sure I'm even. Y'all see that? It's so pretty. All right. Ooh. Now let me get another brush because I need to go into another color. Is I need to put a little brow bone up there. Another smaller brush. And this is the Sigma E25 brush. It ain't clean, unfortunately. But it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Okay, we're gonna go into Lace Teddy right here. This pretty little color here called Lace Teddy right there. That's nice creamy color, peachy creamy color. And I'm gonna go right up here. Clean that up. Brighten it up. This is nice. So soft. Oh, it made no sense be this soft. So just clean up that upper half of the brows, or the brow area, eye area. Clean it up real good. Okay, then we're gonna go back into Sexpert, the lighter color here. Get back into that crease area. Bring it on around. We're gonna definitely keep our crease prominent. Just like so. Y'all see that? Bringing it into the eye area, into the nose area. Okay, now we're going back into Risky Biz. I don't want that big old brush no more though. Bring it down a little bit deeper. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going back into Lace Teddy. Just circle it out. Just like that. Just like so. Y'all see that? Now, I need another small brush because I need to put some on my bottom lash line. I'm going to put Risky Biz on my bottom lash line. Smoke it out. Going on really nice, y'all. Smoke it out real good because I want to be able to see it. There we go. Now let me get some liner. Let me get these brows on here first. We're gonna work out these brows. Deepen my brows. So let's skip into my Kat Von D dark brown. This is, like I said, the super. This is the super brow. 24-hour super brow. So let me carve in there a little bit. I ain't gonna do too much to my brows because they already pretty nice. I've been keeping them up and they've been really growing quite a bit. They're growing kind of weird though, because they're not growing in a square. It's more of a pointed here and come out in a kind of a triangular mode. You know what I'm saying? It's more pointed, like coming right into here. It's going this way, down like this. So, I'm just going with the way they shape. So, ain't gonna do a lot to my brows. Just like that. I think they all right. All right. I think that's good for my brows. Let me get some gel so I can straighten them out. That's all right. I think that's all right. What y'all think? I think that's all right. Now let me get some liner. See what kind of line I got over here. This liner is, it's from, let's see, who is this liner from? It's from Ico. It says, I do liquid eyeliner. And it's in black. So, let me get right here. Bear with me on this eyeliner, child. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I got the focus now. I got the focus. A little bit of old liner. Little wing. Not much of a wing. Just a little something. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Small little wing. Just like that. Don't need very much. Good curve to this one. Think that'll do me. Okay, now let me get my black pencil liner, and it's the Perversion by the 24/7 Perversion Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay, and it's black. Put that in my waterline. Tight line up here, just on the outer corner. Okay. Get my Stila Maximum mascara. This big old wand, so I gotta be careful. Y'all, I need my bad gal bang so bad. Need my bad gal bang back. I just ain't had time. Well, I'd have had time, because when I was shopping for everything else, I could have ordered it, and I didn't. But, too, I just found out The Ulta has roadside. You know, the where you can pull up after you don't order and you got a time to go pick up your order. Just found it out. So I'm gonna take advantage of that, y'all. Yes, I am. Alright, so let me get my little mold back. Y'all know how I feel about my mold. My little mold back. Put her back where she belongs. Although you won't see it because I'm having on a mask. Hey. Alright, should I do lashes or no? Should I do some lashes? I probably will not do no lashes, but y'all, I'm gonna go and spray my face. I think this will do me right here. This palette was really nice. Oh, that's so smooth. And I do want some highlighter. I wish it was a highlighter in my box, but it wasn't. But this is the eyes, y'all. Nice little simple eye. Let me give me a little highlighter. Go and top this little look off real quick. Gotta have a little highlight to peek from up on that mask. Alright? So, let me get my little brush, my little Morphe brush. This is the Morphe E60 brush. Give me a little bit of highlight, a little bit. Everything a natural glow, so I'm gonna throw a little glow up there. Some gotta peep from under that mask. Look at that. Ooh, child. See, ain't gotta do no lashes. Ain't gotta do no lashes now. Look at that. I need to put a little I need to put a little bit of highlighter for my brows with this highlight. Yeah, I can do a highlight. Do a little highlight. My brows gotta pop, y'all. I'm so sorry. Ooh. Put a little bit up there. Ooh, yeah, they top that doggone look out, y'all. Give me a little inner corner. And this is the Flare palette, a highlighter palette by Jackman Hill. J Hill, JH Cosmetics. We got a little pop of something in there. Y'all like that? Look at it. Ooh, child. I got to have them brows up there, child. Oh, I was feeling kind of empty. Alright, let's do this lip real quick. I need some on my lips, y'all. I don't know what I'm going to use, but maybe we'll go for this Becca lip. Gonna do these lips. Because you know what? That little lip thing that we had, I'm tired, I ain't gonna get it. I need to add a little bit more to it. Okay, got my lips. And this color is, I really can't see it. It says in Taupe Ultimate by Becca. It's a nice little nude lip. Very nude lip. Which I don't mind. Throw a little highlight over top. A bit on my nose. Put it in the center of the nose. Soften up them jaws a little bit. I want it to look natural if possible. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna spray one more again. You know I like to soak in it. Alright. And this is the finished look, y'all. That is my rendition of this little nice little Too Faced Natural Matte Palette that I got in my Boxy Premium box. Alright, if you like this look, and don't forget about the Kat Von D, the little brow pomade. Alright, but if you like this look, and you like this Boxy Charm Premium box, give me a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate it, and it sure help the algorithm in my videos. Alright, and I am Sheila She's Beautiful Urban, signing out my premium box and a little bit of a try on with some of the products. Alright, I love you guys, and I see you in the next one. Peace, love, and taco grease till next time. Bye.